It's me, C5492 AJ, and yeah. Um, I'm making a video because I can't wait till 7 o'clock. It's 9 a.m., 7 p.m. to get on C5492. So I'm on all my spare accounts, and I have nothing to do. I have no rares. I have no friends. I'm gonna look up random people. C1238. Oh, whoa. What the? Hello there. Hello. I feel so weird. I feel so alive. I want my mommy. I wish I could go. Well, I'm going to kind of do like a news channel because, yeah. In this all-new ocean adventure, the Alphas need your help to rescue Tavi, whatever that is, the dolphin Alpha from the clutches of the wicked phantoms. Oh, that's cool. It's for members. Coming in a lot of clever jammers were able to figure out the clues in the last Jamal. So was I. Journal. It's official. Otters will soon be coming to Jamal. Let's watch this. Click below or visit Jammer. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, no. Hundreds of thousands of jammers cast their votes for the Den item contest, and the ice cream parlor was the winner. Head to Jam Mart Furniture to see some cool ice cream parlor Den items, and be sure to check back for more items that will be available soon. And be on the lookout for more Den item voting on the future. Yeah, that's just Adoption Week. In honor of Adoption Week, every pet in Jamal is on sale, and you could further celebrate Adoption Week by visiting the Daily Explorer and learning more about pet adoption. Sorry guys, I'm just like, it's 9 a.m. I'm really tired. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. Okay. Did you know that you can now preview each den before you buy it? Oh, that's cool. Just click on the blue preview button, then when shopping for a den to explore it with your animals. Okay, bye guys.